Okay, this is the first step in animating your characters in Unity for the animation project. So first step is to get a character in Maya and to rig that character. So you may have created a character already in a previous project, but I'm going to select as a pre-made unrigged character. So I'm just going to go File and Import. And you can get a lot of these free characters also on turbosquid.com. So what I'm going to do, it's good to get in the FBX format. So I've got patrick.fbx. I'm just going to go import, and that's up in here, and I'm going to zoom in so we can actually see our character. So that's my character here. Okay, just a basic humanoid character. So my next step is to make sure that I'm on this tool here, which is called the Quick Rig tool. Okay, and you find it here. So say for instance you're in modeling, and then what you'll do, you need to go down to rigging, select rigging, and then you'll get to the Quick Rig tool. Click here, and then you should see this window come up somewhere in your screen. You want to make sure you're on one click here. One click, and then you need to select auto rig. So click on auto rig. Made a mistake here. What you need to do is to click on one mesh. I need to select my whole figure. So I've selected my whole figure. So that's my mesh. And then I need to click on auto rig. And it should say here, auto rig in progress. And you're going to get the spinning wheel until it's progressed. And then you'll see that you have a rig for your humanoid character. So what you need to do from here is to get your character, I'll close this window first of all, is to get your character into what's called a T-pose. So to do that, I need to select, okay, the move tool. So I'll click here, and then I want to select different parts of the rig. So I click on the wrist here. I should be able to, oops, that's not the right bit. I need to select the wrist. So you've got the wrist, and then I can stretch that out, stretch that arm out. Maybe I can click on it here, move it up a bit, and get that arm out into a T-pose. So the arm is out straight. So there, I've done that. Now move around to the other side, get that arm, and we'll stretch that out. So that's into a T-pose. So now my character should be totally outstretched, standing in what's called a T-pose. So arms outstretched and just straight legs. So the rig is in the T-pose. So what you want to do, you want to save that. So I need to go to File. I'll save my scene, and I'll call it, just call it Pat rigged in Maya, and I'll just save that. Now, so once I've done that, continue. So once I've done that, what I'm going to do, I need to export this so it's usable in Maya, in Unity, sorry. So I need to go File and Export All. So you need to get all the meshes and all the rigs, etc. So I click on Export All, and I'm going to call that Pat Ready for Unity. And it's in FBX format, as you can see here. And then I'm going to go to Export All. And that should be saved, ready for Unity. So the next tutorial will be just looking at how we can get the rig working in Unity.